Hello YouTube, here's a toy review of the Redragon Gundam 1 in 144 scale model kit. And no, mine does not have any of the stickers on because I suck at putting stickers on. This guy, his arms can move, has an elbow, his hands wiggle. See that? They wiggle. His head can turn. His head can only turn that much because I lost the core lander fell out of his back. So his head can turn. Same thing on this side. Arms turn. Elbow. Hand wiggles. His thing fell off, which it does quite a bit. Front skirts, front armor. His legs can move up. Can only move that far back. If you move them too far, they pop off. His knee bends about that far. His leg only moves about that far. Same thing on the other side. So there he is, and his signature, his only weapon that he comes with is this. So, dragon, fanging attack, see? That's it. Take care, have a good one. Until next time, see ya.